Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create calendars on the CEWE application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different things. And if you want to create a calendar, click to that option. You can create a wall or the desk calendar. Select one. You can select the size or the format, for example square, large. You can select a type, for example the second. Click the continue button. You can select the color of the calendar. You can add the start month and the year. You can select photos. And just wait a 5 minutes, and you can check that. If you want to order, click to the cart button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.